Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share a special beef karahi recipe. Very soft and juicy. You can serve with rice roti parota. Beef 1.5 kilogram. It has some fat and soft bones. Clean and washed. Mustard oil 1 cup. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons each. Sauté 2 minutes. Add beef. Stir and fry 10 minutes. Salt to taste. Onion 1 cup. Stir and mix. Cover for 5 minutes. Stir. Add hot water as required. Cover and cook 40 minutes on low heat. After 40 minutes, beef perfectly cooked. Transfer the beef in a pan. Add tomato 5 medium size. Cover for 10 minutes. Take off the tomato skins. Done. Mix. Yogurt 1 cup. Mix. Chili powder 1.5 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Roasted cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Mix. Cover and cook. Stir. Black pepper 1 tablespoon. Mix. Coriander leaf. Dry fenugreek leaves. Sliced ginger. Mix. Sliced green chili. Cover until serve. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.